Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI-powered platform for data excellence called Fabi AI. So let's dive into it. Fabi AI is designed to make data analytics smarter and faster with the help of AI. It combines Python and natural language queries into one seamless platform, letting teams analyze data without needing advanced coding. The biggest strength here are its AI analyst assistants, smart books for live dashboard, and smooth integration with warehouse and third-party tools. It also shines with collaboration features and strong compliance standards like SOC 2 and GDPR, which make it a secure yet powerful tool for data-driven business. On the downside, Fabi AI is still growing, so some advanced features like pivot table or deeper customization are limited. Pricing can also be a hurdle, starting around $39 per month and scaling up quickly for teams. While most users see it as a time saver, its moderate trust score online suggests newer users should test it carefully. So in conclusion, Fabi AI is still a great choice for teams that want quick AI-driven insight and easy collaboration, though those needing highly advanced analytics or bucket-friendly plan may look for something else. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.